Hopefully my mic is better. Alright, let me just put on some music and we're gonna go ahead and update this package. Since Discord.js version 13 has been out for probably roughly a month. So I think it's time that we start looking into updating this package. Quite frankly, I personally don't really have any interest in continuing with working on Discord.js stuff, to be honest. But I guess, we might as well update this. And honestly, I didn't really expect them to just release a brand new version of Discord.js so soon, but can't really blame them because, they're just updating their library to support the new Discord API. So you can't really fault the library devs. Blame the Discord devs. No, I'm just kidding. We gotta update the software, which is going to be lots of fun. It's been a while since I've actually looked at this project, and I honestly probably still remember most things. It's just the only thing that I fear is really just the test cases failing. And I fear possibly needing to refactor a lot of things, which I hope we don't need to. So yeah, what's up, Minecraft Zone? What's up? How's it going? Okay. So realistically, the only way I can actually effectively update this is, let me actually see if I can make a list of things that we need to look out for. So let me see. Discord.js v12 to v13. Let's just get the migration guide, so that way we have that ready for us. Alright, so version 16 Node.js is required. So let's just make sure. Let's see. I'm just trying to see what. Let's see. Okay, so we definitely need to. Let me actually create a README. Update.md. Let's create a note. So this is just a developer note. Dev note. And I'll add this to the git ignore so we don't commit this by accident. Okay, so it seems like what we'll need to do is we will need to update. Hold on, let me do this. Updating Slappey to-do list. We need to look out for update dependency or update version of Discord.js from v12 to v13. We will need to update the templates. Update templates. Because if I remember correctly, there's a new way to create messages. Or, I'm sorry, deal with message events. So we'll have to worry about that. It's a good thing that we don't actually need to worry about. We don't need to worry too much about like the actual implementation, because most things should realistically work. We also should probably opt into intents as well. Update templates. Let's see. Message event is now message create, right? And we should also create the new templates for the new events. Create new templates for new events. I'm trying to think what else. So, so many people ask for so many features with Slappey, but it's kind of like defeating the whole purpose of what the original package is for. A lot of people don't really quite understand that. So when they ask for features such as, have a help command or have, a cooldown system with Slappey, they're kind of like missing the point. It's not a framework, or it's not a package that does things for you. that would be a library or some kind of module that you'd want to install on your own, but that's not what Slappey does. The whole point of this is to literally just scaffold a project and let the user build their Discord bot. It's not supposed to do anything in any opinionated way other than just generating the files. That's literally all it does. Though there might be more features that I'd like to work on. At the moment, I don't really have any. One feature that I'd like to work on is allowing it to read directories a lot more efficiently. So if you want to generate templates, it will do it a lot better in the corresponding directory. Luke OS 11, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Yeah, it's pretty late for a lot of people, so I don't really expect too many people to show up. But it is 10 o'clock here, and I'm all the way in Mountain Time. So, but it's all right though. I'm just going to update Slappey, and people can always watch the VOD. I'm gonna leave this stream up so people can always watch it if they really want to. Good, thanks. You EST or Australia, nice. So it's probably like what? It's like 1 p.m. for you, like 1 or 2 p.m. or 12 p.m. something like that. Okay, so to be honest with you, let's actually just jump right into this project. Hopefully we don't get any issues, because like I said, it's been a really long time since I've really, used this, and I hope there's really no dependency issue going on. Okay, great. Okay, we might also, let's see, check to see if user has Node.js v13.6. So that's going to be something that, yo, what's up, Nav? How are you? Welcome back to the stream, man. Nice seeing you here. So we're also going to do a helper to allow the package to check to see if they have Node version 16 installed. So I'm not sure how to do that, so that'll be a good thing to kind of learn. It should be pretty easy though. I'm pretty sure it's possible. What's up, Corey Mills? Welcome to the stream. Nice to see you here. We're just updating some stuff for my package. Yeah, a lot of people have been asking for it, and I kind of just don't want this project to die. So I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead and actually update this. Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of like, you can't even use this anymore. You can't really use this anymore. And if you choose to stick with version 12 of Discord.js, I don't even think you can make a bot. I don't even think it'll still work. So you kind of need to upgrade to version 13 because of the way intents are, working now. Okay, so I actually need some time to walk through code and kind of remember what the hell was going on, because I honestly don't remember a lot of things. Let me see. So export async main. So if I remember correctly, it calls this function will create a new scaffolder. Honestly, I really don't like how I did certain things, but I guess at the time I was practicing something called inversion of control, so which is why I had created this new scaffolder. I was here when you was going over the features of v13. Oh yeah, that was like 3 weeks ago. Well, nice to see you here again. But yeah, I kind of didn't. I can looking at this now. I kind of really don't like how I did this, but it's fine. I'm not really gonna change too many things. It's just that I felt like this could have been, I don't know. To be honest with you, I don't know. I've gotten some criticism with this structure with the code base. Just looking at it, I feel like there's things that I could have done that were a lot better, but it's okay. Okay, so yeah, of course I remember you, Nav. Yeah, I specifically remember you because I remember in the last stream I called you Nav the human, and you just told me to just call me Nav. I was like, okay, I'll make you remember that. And when I saw you again, I was like, yeah, let me make sure I call you Nav this time. That's actually the name of a rapper, a Canadian rapper that I don't listen to. Well, I only listen to one song. Okay, so let's see. It's gonna call main, and then we have the arguments. So I wonder if I can actually link npm link. So okay, how do I do this again? npm link slappy. Is that how I do it? So this installs it globally, I think, so I can use it wherever I want. I was watching your Traverse video and gave me many failures since I realized there's a new version. Will you teach us how to do from zero, how to make a bot? Sorry from English. No, you're good, man. Your English is fine. Yeah, at some point, I just don't have, I just really busy at the moment. And making videos and, streaming is like is the last thing that I want to do. Not that I hate it. Not that I hate it. It's just that I have so many things that I have to focus on at the moment that, it's just like not my main priority right now. So I definitely plan it. I just gotta find the right time to do it. Okay, so I gotta look at my node modules real quick because I need to make sure that this is working on my own system. Though I could just install, let's see, Slappey is not even there. I gotta learn how to link. Did I do yarn link or did I do yarn link? I did npm link. Hello, I wouldn't know. I live in AU, Australia. I'm assuming Australia. Npm link local. All right, so npm link. It should link Slappey. Interesting. It says not recognized. Let me double check again. Huh, that's very interesting. Well, I see it in node modules, but I don't know why. Maybe I gotta add it to the path. Maybe. Let's see. Or maybe I gotta add it to the path. Let's try that real quick. I don't want to show you guys that, so. Okay, let's try closing this. And let's try. Okay, no, that did not work. I'm trying to remember how I did this. It has to do something with the path though. npm. Australia, nice. I heard in Australia, you guys are only like. Is it true that in Australia that they're only allowing you guys to leave for like an hour, like leave your house for an hour, and you gotta go back in? Like there's like a curfew or something. So what's different from V12 and V13? There's a lot. It's out. To be honest with you, it's just mostly the new stuff. Like look at all the new stuff that Discord has, and just think about those things that V13 supports. Melbourne. Wow, that's actually crazy. Well, what do you think about that? Do you go out? Do you get to go out much, or do you usually go out much? And how does that affect you? Okay, so handle choice. Okay. So I think the only thing that we really need to worry about is, well, first I need to actually use this package first. So let's do npm i/g slappy, and yeah, it even says no longer supported. So that's good. Okay, so let's create a new project. So let's just do djs v12 old, and we're gonna generate TypeScript. We're gonna use yarn. Type in 123 for the token. Type an exclamation mark for prefix. So let's do its thing. Do I need to update all the cache stuff when updating, or is it just like options? I'm not too sure, man. You'll have to you'll have to Google the V12. I'm gonna link it to you, and you can look through it yourself and figure it out. Okay. I hate. How do I, man? VSC turn off welcome. I hate this stupid welcome thing. It's really annoying. The curfew starts at 9 p.m. and it goes until 5. Well, isn't that kind of useless because most people are out during the daytime. So if you limit it from 9 p.m. to 5, like, what's the point of that, you know? Like, most people are indoors at that time, they're sleeping. You know what I mean? So it doesn't really make much sense. Okay, so let me actually make a list of all the things that I will possibly need to change. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So let me see. Let's see, where's my tab? Right over here. Okay. Okay, great. So this is I'm looking through the old project real quick. By the way, if you guys need me to zoom in, I can. Maybe one day I'll do a stream where I'm using a virtual machine with Linux. I think that would be fun. Okay. If you guys need me to zoom in, if you guys can't see the font, I can zoom in for sure. Okay, so it seems like client doesn't need to be changed. Well, you know what? I think the best thing to do. I think the best thing to do would be to. Wait, what did I do? Hold on, what did I do? Did it just auto install version 13 for us? Because if it did, it's actually really great. Let me actually double check what I had for templates real quick. Templates. Where's the package? Dependencies. Source. Okay. So install Discord. Okay, so installs the latest. Okay. I want to get a VM a little bit, can't be bothered. Yeah, what's it called? A virtual machine. VMware is what it's called. That's what I use. I just downloaded it. I had it before. I just downloaded it again the other day, and I haven't really had a chance to really play around with it yet. But it's nice having a virtual machine to experiment with, like Linux and stuff. I like it a lot, and it's also good for development too. I remember before I used to spin up a VM just to kind of like have like a fake deployment server. Because I use DigitalOcean to host my apps, and you can pretty much just create a virtual machine on your local system and use that as like a local deployment server to kind of like fake deploy an app. You know what I mean? So that way you can like treat it as if it's an actual server. Okay, so it installs the latest, which is good. Though I'm not sure why it gave the deprecated. I'm not sure why it gave a deprecated. Discord.js. I gotta investigate that. Okay. So it seems like we probably don't need to worry so much about things not to worry about. Alright, so I think I forgot to tell you what your dash press here has been a lot. Yeah, I'm glad. You know, I've been thinking about doing another live stream where I create a Discord dashboard, but I don't know. I just honestly haven't really had much time. Like, I have weekends off, obviously, but I just kind of really want to enjoy my own time on the weekends. You know, that's kind of the reason why I don't really like doing YouTube anymore. It's because one, I have to work, and two, I have to. I just don't really have much time. But maybe I'm just making excuses. Who knows? Okay, so things we probably don't need to worry about. We don't need to worry about the client because all this client class does is it just stores the commands and events and the prefix. So we likely won't need to worry about that. And it has the collections too, unless something has changed with collections. I am not too sure about that. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to try to run this real quick. And let's actually see what happens when we try to run this. It's probably going to break. Let's just see how far we can go. Cannot find module. Oh, we need to do yarn start dev. Oh, yarn dev. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so oh, wait, what on earth happened? Did it not generate the tsconfig? Oh. Wait a minute. Hold on. It was supposed to ask me. Did I just discover a bug? So what was supposed to happen, or maybe I just never did this. Wow, I may have never. Wow. Oh wow, yeah. Okay, yeah. This was definitely a problem that a lot of people have. Okay, let me write that down. Yeah, I think they were. I think yeah. Okay. Things, things to do. Prompt user to create. Actually, not even gonna prompt create tsconfig.json file. Yeah, we're having a problem right now where we're getting errors. So let's first tsc init and let's try running this again. Okay, so resolve JSON module. That resolve JSON module is very important. Resolve JSON. I personally don't like how TypeScript has things. Tomorrow's Saturday. Yeah, tomorrow is Friday, or it's gonna be Friday soon. Resolve. True. Okay, so intent is missing, so we'll need to fix that. Okay, so we'll need to fix that. So, yeah, okay. So it seems like we'll need intents for sure. So yeah, it's mandatory now. So, okay, great. Okay, good. So, we'll need to fix the template of Discord client. Fix Dion Gamers, I love you videos. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Fix Discord client. Let's see. Templates that need to be fixed. Discord client. And what's the problem with this? Damn, I really should download that Dynalist app because MD is pretty trash. Okay, the problem is that options parameter is now mandatory due to intents. Okay, and that means we'll also need to fix the index.ts, which means that you need to pass in an intents. And I gotta look up how to do intents. Hold up, right? Yeah, no worries, man. Take your time. So intents are mandatory now. And it says right over here, as the version 13 that makes a switch to API 9, it is now required to specify all intents are bought using the client constructor. Okay, so I think we'll just add the mandatory intent. So maybe flags.guilds, I think. Intents. We'll do guilds. To be honest with you, I really don't know what it is that is needed, but we'll figure it out as we go. What is the intent to get the ready event? That is the most important thing. So let's see, the template that we'll also need to fix is index.ts. Need to add intents argument. Okay, let's see. Is our error gone? Client cannot be invoked without new. What is going on here? Certainly. That is very weird. So client.ts line 11. Why is it giving me a problem with that? That is very strange. I'll let you SSH into me any day. Class constructor client cannot be invoked without new. That is so weird. Why would it do that? That is very cringe. Tech with SK, welcome. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab a bot token real quick. Discord.com/developers. And let's just grab a random bot. Hopefully I have a let me move my token. Whoops. Okay. Alright, got my bot token. How you became a success coder. I mean, what is your definition of success? That's my question. Because everyone is successful in their own way, in their own world. Okay, so it seems like this is working, but it's not. Yeah, it seems like this is working. But why is... The nice thing is, okay, so at least that's working, but why on earth was Discord client not... What in the world was going on with that? Export default class Discord client. What the hell? I'm very confused. Am I missing something here? Did something change with the client class? Is it not extendable? Are you not able to extend it anymore? I'm very confused. It's still a class. So why am I not able to extend? What the hell? Something weird is going on here. Something very, very weird is going on. Class constructor client cannot be invoked for new. Welcome back, Nav. I enjoy coding as a hobby, but I think getting a career in coding will become my passion. Well, I mean... I can't really, I don't really know what to say about that. I mean, to be honest with you, I like coding as a hobby and as a career. Export, import correctly. Did I import this correctly? Well, it's a default import. Is this something wrong with, is there something wrong with my TypeScript or something? Like my TS, so this is a default export. Is there something wrong with my ES next? I don't really see what the problem could be, you know? Check the code and explain use so you can figure it out. This is so weird. So we have common.js. I am very confused what the problem is. Build TSC. Build. Well, let's see. Will it build properly? Okay, well, let's figure this out. Yarn start. Cannot find module build. Yeah, I'm not sure. Alright, see ya, Dion. Why on earth would this be a problem? Very confused on what's going on. I have a class, okay, has intents. So it's complaining about intents, okay. So you need the intents for sure, but why on earth is it giving me this problem though? There's literally no difference between... So fucking weird. This is one of those moments where ES 2017. It's not really a Chrome issue though. Or I mean, like, Chrome wouldn't really, you know, Chrome wouldn't really fix our issue. Okay. ES 2017 for Target. I don't really like that though. Well, let me actually see when the world was the. Oh, okay. Oh wait. Oh my God, that makes perfect sense because ES5 does not support classes, or at least yeah. So it had to be ES6. Okay. Yep. There we go. All right. Okay, so the ready event is working. That's good. Yeah, thank you for mentioning that. The target infamous hue. I didn't read the last part. When you said ES 2017, I thought you meant module because I confuse that a lot, but it was actually target. But you're right though. All right. Is it okay if I use my hour of being outside? Yeah, man. No worries. I mean, I'm not forcing anyone to stay here, man. Like like you stay here at your own will. But yeah, man. If I'm still on and if you happen to come back and I'm still on, then I'll see you later then, or I'll see you in my next stream. It's not a problem. Okay. So, God, let me open Discord. Open Discord. Get that Discord opened up. Got that Discord. Okay. Let's see. I have a server. Do I have a server? Let me see. Let me get on my server real quick. Alright. See you later, Nav. How the hell disliked? Yeah, I don't know. Someone just came on the stream and literally the first 10 minutes and disliked it. That's fine. I don't really care. Okay. Our bot is online. Okay, so I suspected that let's see. Yeah, the command should have not worked. And that's probably because we don't have the correct intents. It's flags.message. So let's try. There we go. Okay, so yeah, I think the bare minimum we're gonna do is just get these two intents, and everything else should work. So I honestly don't think that there's gonna be. Wait. What the hell? Oh, the message event still works, but it really should be message events. Gotcha. So it seems like, yeah, that's the nice part about it is that so usually I feel like what the developers decided to do was when they rolled out the changes, what they do is they make sure to implement the mandatory things first, and then when it comes to things that don't need to be immediately mandated, such as the message event. So it seems like the message event still works, but that doesn't mean that we should use it though, because it's probably, I guarantee you on the documentation, it's listed as deprecated. So we go to client. Right over here. And what that means is that you can still use it, but you probably shouldn't use it long term because it's going to be removed at some point. They're going to plan a certain time for it to move. So yes, you definitely should not remove it. Okay. Okay, cool. So we're going to change that to message create. We're going to change it to message create instead. And we're going to rename it to message create event. So I'm probably going to stream again tomorrow and update this. Today we're not really going to make we're not really going to make any changes to the repository. What we're going to do is we're going to gather all of the things that need to be looked over, and then we're going to update that over the weekend most likely. I'll probably stream tomorrow around maybe a little bit earlier, and then over the weekend I'll find some time to stream even more earlier. Okay, but yeah, what I want to do is I want to, let's see, message. Okay, so events. Update events. Update message to message. Create. Add interaction. Create. Sure there's a lot more. Though honestly, application command create. Yeah, these are definitely new. Does anyone here know what is does anyone here know what is application command? What is that again? Lol Slappey. Does anyone know what application command is? Okay, so it seems like that's good. So let's see, events.ts. Oh, slash command's okay. Love the name. Yeah, I just kind of like randomly thought about it and just, you know, stuck with it. I was thinking about changing the name because I didn't really quite like it. But I was like, too late. If you guys think of a better name, let me know and I'll consider it. Nerver Stop Gaming. Is your name Nerver? Like your actual name? Is that why you named it? Why you put that? Yo, what's up, Anderson? How's it going, man? Anderson Motor. What are you? Are you a car company now? Anderson Motor Vehicles. Or what? Or does motor mean something in? Or does motor mean something? Channel pins update. Channel update. Debug. Emoji create. Emoji delete. Emoji update. Guildban add. And we'll also have to look through each event too. Yeah, I need to scan through every single event and make sure that it's correct. And do I need to update the documentation link? I don't know. Oh, I see. Oh, man. Should I make another cup of coffee? Kind of want to. I love coffee, honestly. I might go to the gym, actually. Actually, no. I went yesterday. Yesterday I went to the gym and killed my legs. I'll go tomorrow. I gotta rest up. Plus, I'm just way too tired right now. Though it's probably not even. I'm not really just tired. I'm probably just, you know, fake tired. But I can like trick my mind into thinking that I'm actually not tired. Like I know when I'm really tired. Like when I'm really tired, I'll be able to fall asleep, like in a blink of a second. But I know for a fact I'm not tired when I'm laying in bed, and just like, you know, and not even able to fall asleep. That's when I know for a fact I'm not tired. Small engine repairs starting up soon. Small engine repairs. Oh, so you're going to? Are you actually going to like work on cars and stuff? Like you're gonna do like the physical work, or is it just like a startup? Or are you not doing the work but you're hiring someone to do it? Guild ban add, guild ban remove, guild create. Where is guild create? Why do I have this? Okay, I gotta fix the order. Guild integration speak. Updates. Guild member add, guild member available. Okay, yeah, guild member available is definitely something new. Likely because it's new because they added intent, I think, and that's probably why they need to check to see if it's available now. Guild. Guild member remove has already been there already. Guild member chunks has not been there, so I'm guessing that's to do with chunks. Let's see. Guild member update definitely should have been there. Yes. Let's actually look at some of these. Yeah. A lot of these events should be very similar. Guild unavailable should be here. Yes. Guild update should be there. Great. Interaction creates. We already have that there. Let's actually put this in alphabetical order. My first education was mechanic and then moved to IT. I'm going back to mechanics. I'm working on lawnmowers, trimmers, lawn tractors, chainsaws. Nice. And they have a you're from Denmark, right? Like you're currently living in Denmark, or am I mistaken? And if I'm right on Denmark, I'm assuming Denmark has a lot of jobs for automotive, which I guess makes sense. Oh, Norway. Wait. Wow, I actually confused Norway with Denmark. Wow, I'm sorry about that. Hello, can you do a clear command? More clear without making out. I'm not sure what you mean by that. Shashank, how's it going, man? How are you? And when we have to chat, have 5. What's WW? Type clear. Norway, okay. And Norway has a lot of jobs for mechanics. Like, what's the most popular job in Norway? In like the Norway economy. I think wait. I remember one time we were talking, and you were asking about were you asking about Norway or was it Denmark? I remember we were talking about salaries. I could have sworn we talked about Denmark, like software engineer salaries. Maybe that's why I may have confused it. I don't know. Maybe I'm just maybe I'm just a confused person. Maybe I just got it wrong. Invalid request warning. Let's see. Shard disconnect, shard error, shard ready, shard reconnecting, shard resume, stage instance create. So we'll have to add that. Add stage instance. I need help in coding, please. What should I do? Well, there are a lot of communities that you can visit, but we have a Discord server too if you want to join and ask your question there. I mentioned other Scandinavian countries. Yeah, that's why. Maybe that's why. Because I don't think I ever really asked you where you were from. Well, at least now I know Norway. I'll remember that. Sticker create. Sticker update. Wow, honestly, I haven't really been paying much attention to Discord bots, but like just seeing these new events and stuff is, it brings me a lot of, it gives me a lot of, ideas that a lot of people are going to probably think about, and they're going to make some more cool stuff. Like when Discord creates new features, it's going to bring even more great ideas for developers too that use the API. Which is why, I'm very excited to see, to be honest with you, I don't really pay much attention to Discord bots, but there are some really nice Discord bots, don't get me wrong. Like alt identifier is a really good Discord bot in my opinion. Not even just a Discord bot, but like a feature. Like Discord bot with authentication. Okay, so these are all the events. These are all the events. Did I add thread list sync? Okay, good, I did. Okay. So we added the events. I don't think we need to worry so much about, we might need to check the parameters. So let's see, double check all the parameters for the event function handlers. We'll have to do that. Check all the parameters, double check event documentation. So the templates should be fine. Because honestly, everything really works. Everything here honestly just works fine. Everything here works fine. It's just that the message event needs to be updated. It still works. It just needs to be updated. I think what I'll do is this is going to be a desired feature, not a required feature. Mercy. Finally was able to catch a stream. Do I know you by any chance? Or, I feel like I know you. Or, are you just like, or are you, like, did I meet you from somewhere, or did you just like, or have we never met before? Is what I'm asking. When do you think GitHub Copilot will be released officially? To be honest with you, I honestly don't know Copilot, because I've never really used it before. I honestly, were you the one that recommended me to? Were you the one that came to my stream, like the last two streams, and asked me if I have looked at GitHub Copilot? Was that you? Because I remember someone came in here and asked about it twice, and asked if I had tried it yet, and I never really had a chance to really honestly try it, because there's honestly so much technology. You know, like I usually, before I go to bed or whenever I wake up in the morning, before I have to get on my day, I usually browse through Reddit, and I'm subscribed to a couple of subreddits. I'm subscribed to the JavaScript subreddit. I'm subscribed to the React.js subreddit. I'm subscribed to subreddits that I genuinely find interest in the technology that I want to get better at. And I see so many new things. Like I see so many new apps being made. I see so many new innovation being made, and it's pretty awesome. So it's just honestly like I'm trying to find a way to keep up with all these new technologies, all these new software that's coming out. You know, and that's the scary part about technology, is that it's very innovative, which means that a lot of things can just change, and you could feel like all of the knowledge that you have obtained over the past 5 years about something can become obsolete within just like a couple of weeks. Think about that. That's crazy how technology is innovative. I don't think okay. I was just wondering, maybe because I know I had a friend that I had not spoke to for a while, and their name was Mercy. So, and they also like, you know, came on my stream. So I just didn't want to like confuse you with them. No, it was on me. Oh, okay, no worries. I mean, I honestly have not really gotten a chance to take a look at it. You know, they actually have a GitHub office, in my city, and yeah, they have like an office. So, you know, it's pretty cool. I never really saw it before, but they also have like, so they have a couple of startups here. Like Carvana's not really a startup anymore, because it's kind of blown up. I mean, it was a startup, but it's pretty much gotten big already. So, but I've driven past the headquarters before. I've never driven past the GitHub headquarters before, though. I think it'd be nice to check it out to see how their headquarters look like. For NiroGen, what's NiroGen? Okay, double check event documentation. So desired features. So add a option to possible features. Add an option to allow the user to select intents. So this will be a new feature. Will allow the user to opt into intents. So they can use a CLI tool. So it'll be a better way for them to manage their intents. And we'll have to look at some documentation, because I know there's a way where you can mask every single intent and create like a bit field that will resolve to it. So I think that's pretty cool. To be honest with you, this is really just going to be a minor change. I'm not really going to bother updating the code base much, because honestly, it's just too much work, and I don't really want to spend too much time on this project, if I'm being honest with you guys. It's just that I have a lot of other projects that I have to work on, and I really just don't want to abandon this project. And there's really not much that really needs to be changed, to be honest with you. A lot of everything works just fine, and everything's been unit tested. So I don't know. I'm not really gonna focus so much on restructure. I'm just gonna make sure that it works for version 13, and that's it. Any VSC theme suggestions? I honestly don't know. I mean, I'm using the default theme, so I'm probably the worst person to ask. And I personally don't really, I personally honestly don't like using themes because I like the themes that I use. I get bored of them so quickly, and sometimes I don't even like them because, like it just like the theme itself. The themes that I like are dark themes, and sometimes it gets really annoying looking at the theme. It might just be because that I have two monitors and they're freakishly large, that it's really hard to actually see the actual font and the colors. So that's why I just stick to using the default theme, because the colors are perfect. Like I can see, the white text. I can see like the highlighted, the quoted text and all that kind of stuff. So it's perfect for me. But if there was a theme that I'd recommend, I'd probably recommend Material Theme. Material Theme, or actually, god damn it. I kind of want to update. I kind of want to install a theme real quick. Let me see. Material icon theme. There were two. There's two material icon themes. I don't know why there's two though. But the one that I installed is definitely not this one. I don't like these icons. There's definitely another one. Let me see if I can find it. I like icon themes because they don't really change much of the colors. Oh yeah, I think it was called Material Theme Icons. Yep. I think this one looks better. Yeah, there we go. This one looks way better. This one, and the theme that I was using was Material Theme. Or One Dark. I think it was One Dark Pro. One Dark Pro. Let me actually try this theme out. Yeah, see, I'm not really a fan of the theme because like I can't really see the colors. Like it's just too. I mean, I can see the colors, but it's just like I don't know. I mean, this theme really isn't that bad, honestly. But like for example, you see this little sidebar thing. I can't really see, like there's no line, so I can't really distinguish. That like it's just the little things that kind of bother me, which is why I kind of gave up on themes. Grove box material light. Oh yeah, we're definitely not using the light theme. I was actually kind of considering using a light theme because I got really sick and tired of I just got really sick and tired of all these themes. Like this is not really a bad theme either, but I don't know, like the color is just too bright. Like the color for this is just way too bright. It's burning my freaking eyes. What do you think about the future of Node? Because I'm currently learning Node and I am loving it. Future of Node. I think the future of Node is going to be just fine because Node is very mature. We'll have to see how Deno plays out, because right now Deno is it's the creator of Node.js created Deno and released it last year, and we'll have to see how things play out. Node.js has been around for a very long time. I think it's 12 years, 13 years, right? And the thing is that Node, you could literally do anything with Node.js. You could do machine learning, you could do web dev, you could do AI. Most people choose Python. You can do crypto. You can do a lot of things with Node.js. So there's no reason for anyone to really want to switch from Node, especially for companies. And for as long that the big enterprise companies choose these technologies, then these technologies will always be, they're always going to be super popular and required in the industry. Now, you'll have to really pay attention. What I would recommend is you can look up jobs and you can see what requirements that these companies are looking for, and you can kind of like that's kind of like a good way to measure it. But you can also see like what people are just using it generally. Yo, what's up, Pokemon Leader? Yeah, it's been a while, man. How's everything? How's everything been? I hope you've been doing fine. I've tried most of the famous themes. I was just looking for some different ones. Thanks, though. Yeah, I mean this one is not bad. I'll probably get bored of it eventually, but I really like the icon theme though. Honestly, I genuinely like the icon theme a lot better. Anyways, okay. So, yeah. I don't want to get too off topic. But I'm trying to think about what else I will probably update. From the perspective of over here, like I said, code base wise, I'm likely not going to update anything. I think everything code base wise is going to be just fine. I'll actually need to look at the GitHub issues. Let me actually look at them real quick. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's pretty much it. It's really not much here that I'm gonna really be updating, honestly. Most of the issues on GitHub aren't really worth looking at the moment. If there's an actual real issue, I can look at it. But honestly, I actually really like this theme. It's a pretty cool theme, if I'm being honest with you. Okay. Anyways, I think this is going to be. It's how long I've been streaming for. It's been an hour, so. Yeah. So this is gonna be a part one. We just wanted to figure out. So tomorrow, or this weekend, I'll likely have to make another stream, actually updating this. So. Yeah, I'm not gonna really stay for too long because I kind of just want to go lay down a little bit and just get some rest because I've been up for a pretty long time today. I have a dentist appointment tomorrow, but yeah. So let me just save this real quick. And I kind of just want to lay down. I don't think I'll be able to fall asleep until, maybe. I don't even know what time I'll fall asleep tonight. But I just want to lay down and just relax and, I don't know. Probably just watch, I don't know, maybe I'll watch a video on YouTube or something. I don't know. I honestly don't know what I'm going to do. I just really don't want to stay on the computer because I'm on the computer often, It's either I'm on the computer, I'm going out for a drive, or gonna go do something. Do you have a proper schedule or do you just stream randomly? I mean, I honestly just stream randomly. Recently I've just been streaming around this time, around like 9 o'clock, but I don't really have a proper schedule. That's because I don't know. I just don't really operate on a schedule properly. I mean, if you look at if you were around when I was making videos, most people saw that I would make videos at random times. Like, if you look at old videos, you would see that I would record videos at like 4 a.m. in the morning, 3 a.m. in the morning. Now, there were times where I was genuinely awake at 4 a.m. because I actually woke up. And there were times where I just couldn't sleep and I would just make videos at 4. Sometimes I make videos at just random times. So, it really depends, but honestly, I'm probably just going to download I'm gonna download Adobe. I'm gonna resubscribe to Adobe again, and I'm gonna start making videos. So yeah. And I kind of don't want to force myself to stream because I guess people get bored, and there's really not much interaction going on. If there was more interaction, I'd definitely stay up a lot more. What theme do you use on VS Code? I use the default theme. Anyways, I'm gonna hop off. So if you guys want to chat with me, I'll be on Discord. You can join my Discord server. The link is in the description. And that's pretty much gonna be it. Just want to keep this short and simple. So thank you guys for joining the stream. I really appreciate it, as always. And I'll see you guys in my next live stream. Peace out, guys.